Okay.
Hey dudes, what are you doing?
Making gnocchi.
You're making gnocchi?
Making gnocchi, listening to Taylor Swift. Boo.
Alexander, tell us how you really feel about Taylor
Okay, so
Swift.
we do this. And then
He
we
really loves her.
Okay.
He's in love with her.
Liam, do you like Taylor Swift?
No.
No, thank
Why?
you. Okay, don't do that, please.
How good are these gnocchi gonna taste? We're not gonna throw them, Riley.
Mom, like this?
Like what?
This much?
Yeah, a little. Just a little bit.
Is this a good snake? Dad,
Yeah.
Those are good snakes.
can you roll these little ones? I did it.